Welcome once again. In this tutorial video we will learn AutoCAD mechanical drawing in 3D. We will draw figure number 33 right side of its screen. So let's start video. First we have to give a limit to this drawing. So type limit. Give lower limit 0, 0 and upper limit 150, 150. Now go to view and choose front view. As this drawing I will draw it from front side view. First I will draw this figure from on 2D view and then I will convert it into 3D. So let's start. First take line command, click here. Here the line is not perpendicular, so make it perpendicular. Make ortho 1, click here and type distance of 24 unit as given in the figure. Then take it off 16 unit, take it right 22 unit and then take it off 19 unit and then 68 unit, again take it below 19 unit and then don't click here, just drag it upside and click here and join. Okay, again take line command, click here, take it off 36 unit and then don't click here, just specify the point and click here and join. Take offset command, select a distance of 12 unit upside. Now line command, click here and join. Okay, now the front view is ready. The figure will look like this front view. So select all the lines, type J for join command. Here the front view is ready. Now we will press pull this object to convert it into 3D. So type press pull command, click here, orbit it, take it below, take it behind at a distance of 22 unit. Okay, again click here and take it backside the distance of 38 unit and click here distance of 95 unit and select this region at a distance of 38 unit. So go to visualize style, change it shade of gray and go to southeast isometric view. Okay, now select this region and move it from here to it. Delete this line are no longer necessary, just select it and erase it. Okay, now go to circle command, click tan radius, click here, click here and here and take a radius of 22, enter. Go to press pull command, click here, take it back, select the circle and erase it. Now we have to draw circular portion on this face. So change view, go to front view, here it is, and take a line command, select midpoint, take it up for a distance of 38 unit and now go to circle command, click endpoint and give radius of 16 unit and again 6 unit. Okay, now select this line and just erase it. Okay, now go to placeful command, select this circle, take it back distance of 16 unit. Now again placeful command. First we have to union this object, so select this portion and union it. Okay, now go to placeful command, click here and take it back the distance of 16 unit. So a hole is created. Here it is. Now we have to create edge portion, slant edge of this side. So take a copy edge command and select this edge, enter at a distance of 6 unit. Now take line command, click here and select, and take placeful command, select this region and placeful it. Okay, and select this line and erase it. So here it is, the drawing is almost ready. Now go to southeast isometric view, here it is, the figure is ready. Now again take a union command and select all the object, select this line, erase it, select this line also and select this circle. We have to, it will be better to move this object from here and delete all the line. Now again go to southeast isometric view. Here it is, the drawing is ready. You may give any color to on it. So select it and select any color as you desire, maybe yellow color, and go to realistic. Here it is, the drawing is ready. So that's how I have created this drawing. Thank you for watching.